Okay, Kane, so I want you to tell me about the different things that you got for Grandpa for his birthday. Go ahead and show me the first thing. And what is that?
Instruments.
It's a what?
Instruments.
Instruments?
Right.
And who is that for? Who are you giving that to?
The one.
To Grandpa?
Right.
For his birthday?
Right.
Can you say happy birthday, Grandpa?
Right.
Go ahead and say happy birthday. Yeah, and then what's next? What is the next gift you're giving to Grandpa? Turn it around. Yeah, there you go. And what is this? It's a bracelet?
Right.
So you're giving that to Grandpa?
Right.
Say happy birthday, Grandpa.
Happy birthday, Grandma.
Okay, and what's the last thing that you're giving to Grandpa?
That one.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Right.
Can you tell us what that is?
And that's
It's a monster?
right.
What does a monster say?
Wah!
Yeah.
Right.
Okay, can you sing happy birthday really quick?
Happy birthday, Grandma.
Happy birthday, Grandpa. Right? Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Grandpa. How do you blow out the candles? Okay, say bye-bye, love you.
Bye bye, I love you.
Wave your hand.
Bye bye.
I love you.
I love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.